Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very easy design based ideas video, and in this video I am sharing a very beautiful, decent, elegant but simple and easy to make front hand mehndi designs, back hand mehndi designs, foot mehndi designs, and all of these designs are very easy, highly heavily Arabic mehndi designs and best for mehndi beginners. And these are so easy mehndi designs that with a focused attention within only 5 minutes you can make the whole entire mehndi pattern. Those who are beginners of mehndi and they are in search of very easy and beautiful, especially Arabic mehndi designs, then friends, this video collection is absolutely for you. If you want to design the hands of some newly wed girl or a bride to be with the heavy and very beautiful dress code of Arabic style or Eastern style like traditional Pakistani or Indian wear, then these mehndi designs are very beautiful mehndi designs for those bridals as well. And I hope that my today's video collection is helpful for you, useful for you. By watching our today's content, you have got very beautiful and trendy ideas that how you are going to design your front hand, back hand and foot with very easy but creative and designer style mehndi designs. These mehndi designs are very in, highly trending and popular in Arabs, even in different European regions as well. So some mehndi designs are also shared that could be made with the help of tape tricks or with some cotton bud tricks, and very beautiful and pretty ideas have been shared, and all of these designs absolutely look like a tattoo have been made onto your body. So once again, thank you so much for watching my content. If you really like the design ideas, then don't forget to like and share my videos with your friends and family. And if you are new to my channel or you are watching my content for the very first time, then don't forget to subscribe. And by subscribing, press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Jazakallah, and hope to see you soon back on my channel in my new videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves.